Welcome to Study Loop.
So the objective is so for A part, the objective is to translate the statement someone in your class can speak Hindi into logical expression. Since the domain consists of the students in your class, you're going to let C of X to be the propositional function X students in your class. So now you are going to write the statement in logical expression as there exists some x where h of x and there exists some x where c of x conjunction h of x. So here h of x is x can speak Hindi. So let me just write it over here. So h of x means x can speak Hindi. And I said earlier that c of x be the propositional function where x is the student in your class. So this is for the part A. So for part B, so for part B, so B, the objective is to translate the statement everyone in your class is friendly into logical expression. Since the domain consists of the students in your class, you are going to let C of x be the propositional function, where x is the student in your class, as I said earlier. So C of x is the propositional function, and x here um, is the student in your class. So we are going to write the logical expression as for all x of f of x and for all x of c of x mapping onto f of x. So here f of x is friendly. So f of x over here means x is friendly. So this is how to write the, this statement everyone in your class is friendly in logical expression. So let's move on to the C part. So the C part, the objective is to translate the statement there is a person in your class who was not born in California into logical expression. So here again, Cx is the propositional function. So we are going to write the logical expression as there exists. So for C part, there exists there exists an x where negation of p of x and there exists some x of c of x conjunction negation b of x. Here b of x is x was born in California. So this is the logical expression. So for D part as well, the objective is to translate the statement a student in your class has been in a movie into logical expression. C of x is of course the propositional function. So we are going to write this logical this into a logical expression. So it's going to be there exists some x where m of x and there exists some x for c of x conjunction m of x. So in this situation as well, m of x has been in a movie. So for part E, the objective is to translate the statement no student in your class has taken a course in programming logic programming into logical expression. So C of x is the propositional function. So we are going to write this into logical expression as for all x or for every x minus L of x and for all x C of x maps onto minus L of x, where L of x is x has taken a course in logic programming.